Many AI tools claim to write amazing SEO-optimized articles, but that's not always the case. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of the best AI tools to create SEO-optimized articles. Plus, it has several other features, so be sure to watch this video until the very end. If you want to try it out, click on the first link in the video description and follow along with me. Once you open SEOWriting.AI, you'll see a page like this. If it's your first time using it, click on Get Started. It's free to create your account. I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and log in. This is the main dashboard. As you scroll down, you'll notice that you can generate blog posts with just one click, or even create multiple articles at once. But it doesn't stop at blog posts. You can also generate product roundups, product reviews, workflows, and much more. For this demonstration, I'll click on one-click blog post. Here, you can enter the details of how you want your article to be. You can enter your primary keyword here. For this demo, I'll use Shopify. You can let the AI generate a title for you, or enter one manually. I'll go with Shopify versus Sell the Trend. Scroll down, and you can choose the language. There are many options, but I'll stick with the default English. You can also select the article size, which ranges from extra small to large. Extra small articles typically have around 1,200 words, so I'll stick with that. Next up is the tone of voice. You can make your article friendly, inspirational, professional, and more. I'll choose an informational tone. You can also select the AI model for your article based on your preference. Moving on to the point of view, you can choose whether you want the article to be in the first person or second person. Since this article is informative, I'll go with the second person. You can also specify the target country if you're aiming for a specific audience. One of the best features of SEOWriting.AI is the ability to humanize text. You can choose the level of complexity, from very simple wording to extremely professional language. I'll go with the recommended level here. If you need to include specific details in your article, like contact numbers or organization names, you can specify that in this section. You can hover over the samples to get an idea of the type of details you can add. Now, here's the part where the AI adds images and videos to your blog article. By default, images are set to yes. You can select the total number of images and choose the image style from various options. I'll choose a cartoon style, and then you can set the image dimensions. You can also add YouTube videos, choose the number of videos to include, and select the video layout. To improve the SEO of your article, you can either manually enter keywords here, or click on NLP Keywords Generation to let the AI generate keywords for your article. In this final section, we can determine the structure of our article. If there's a specific hook you want to start your article with, you can enter it here. Options include a question, statistic, fact, and more. Additionally, there are various elements you can include, such as a conclusion, tables, headings, lists, italics, quotes, key takeaways, FAQs, and bold text. These options are set to yes by default, but you can switch any of them to no if you don't want them in your article. There are also other options like internal linking, which allows you to link your WordPress site directly to this amazing AI tool, as well as external linking and connect to the web. After selecting everything, scroll to the top and click Run. This AI tool takes about 1 to 2 minutes to generate the article, complete with images and videos. If more images are included, it may take a bit longer to generate them. Let's skip ahead to when our article is ready.
A few moments later.
You can see that our article contains over 1,300 words. You also have options to edit, copy text, view HTML, and publish the article. The images generated by the AI are vibrant and look great in the article. A video has also been added, giving the article a more professional appearance. Additionally, there are tables comparing the features of pricing plans, which will be very useful to readers. We also have more AI-generated images and another table comparing both platforms. Overall, you can see that our article includes everything we requested, and it looks fantastic. Now, if you go to the top and click on Billing, then on Upgrade Now, you'll see that the free plan allows you to generate up to 5 articles. The starter plan allows for 50 articles, and the professional plan allows for 250. I'll show you how to get a 50% discount on these prices. But before that, you can compare all the benefits and choose a plan. Also, in the professional plan, you can increase the number of articles, and the price will adjust accordingly. If you pay monthly, you won't get any discount. But by paying yearly, you can get a 25% discount, and we can still save more. So select Yearly, and then click Upgrade Now. On the left, you'll see an option to add a coupon code. Enter the coupon code AI Tips, and click Apply. You can see that we've received a 25% discount, and we already received a 25% discount by selecting yearly billing, making it nearly a 50% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to learn about an amazing AI-supported dropshipping tool, check out the video on the left. If you're interested in another amazing AI tool that can generate captions for videos in seconds, check out the video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.